So this video is about editing your room profile. So you can see here we've got a fairly large job of a hotel where we've brought in all of the geometry as a GBXML, and what we've done, we've picked the majority case, which is the bedroom, as the default profile. So effectively every space has the same profile as indicated by the colours. So we can see here if I click in a bathroom, it's actually set up as a bedroom. So what we need to do is start isolating the spaces based on their room names. So we can see here on the room names, we've got the room description 4126RM5, and we've got the associated bathroom 6RM5WC. So what we want to do is isolate every room with the word WC in it and change its profile. So to do that, we go up to the global room editor and then we type on the word search WC, and that will then list all of those WC spaces to enable us to change them. So if I type in WC, that isolates all of those WCs, and I then go across the template profile, select that as a bathroom, apply it, select yes. So then when I just update the layout, you can see those profiles have changed. I can do the same with all other types of spaces. So again, we've got services voids here. So again, I'll just repeat that process. Into the global room editor, type in the word void. So you're really looking for commonality in room names. And I will change that to a void. Apply that. That's now isolated the voids. Again, we've got corridors. So we've got one here called corridor lobby, corridor. I might want to put stairs in the same as a circulation area. So I'm going to type in the word CORR on the word search, isolate the corridor. There's all the spaces that contain the word CORR, and apply those as circulation areas. There will always be instances where you have to do spaces individually that may not comply with the word searches. So really what you're looking at is commonality amongst room names to isolate the spaces. So you can see here you can very quickly isolate your spaces based on your room names. If there's no commonality in your room names whatsoever, then you're going to have problems. A lot of room names might be numeric, so you might have to fathom out how to do that. But generally, if there's a lot of commonality in room names, then this process works quite well.